What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, where the smell of deliciousness is always in the air. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of fruit tarts. Apple, strawberry, peach, berries, pear, you name it, we're baking it. These tarts are not just going to be tasty, they're going to be epic. Let's get baking. Alright guys, first up, we're tackling the classic apple tart. For this masterpiece, we're going to need 2 cups of sliced apples. I'm using Granny Smith today, but feel free to use your favorite kind. Next up, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 cup of cold cubed butter. Mix it all up, pop it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. Get ready to smell the amazingness. Get ready to dive into a world of berryliciousness with this strawberry tart. This delightful dessert is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family gathering or a simple treat for yourself. First things first, grab 1½ cups of fresh strawberries. Make sure they're ripe and juicy for the best flavor. Hull them, slice them, and let's get this show on the road. The fresher the strawberries, the better your tart will taste. We're also going to need 1 sheet of refrigerated pie crust. This will be the base of our tart, giving it that perfect flaky texture. In a bowl, mix together half a cup of sugar. This will add the right amount of sweetness to balance the tartness of the strawberries. A 1/4 cup of flour, which will help thicken the mixture and give it a nice consistency. A pinch of salt to enhance the flavors, and 2 eggs to bind everything together. A 1/4 cup of melted butter for richness and a smooth texture, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract to add a lovely aroma and depth of flavor. Pour it all over those beautiful strawberries, making sure they're well coated with the mixture, and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Get ready for pure strawberry heaven. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream for an extra special treat. All right, you ready for the king of all tarts? The one, the only, the peach tart. Start with 4 large, juicy peaches. Peel them, slice them, and set them aside. Grab your trusty pie crust. In a bowl, whisk together 1 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, half a cup of sour cream, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour it all over the peaches. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. Get ready for a taste of pure peachy perfection. Yeehaw! Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to create a berry explosion with this incredible berry tart. This dessert is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a delight for your taste buds. For this masterpiece, we're using a mix of our favorite berries: 1 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of raspberries, and 1 cup of blackberries. These berries bring a burst of flavor and color to our tart. Grab a pre-made pie crust and gently press it into your tart pan. Make sure it fits snugly to hold all the delicious filling. In a bowl, whisk together 1 cup of sugar. This will add the perfect amount of sweetness to balance the tartness of the berries. Add a 1/4 cup of flour. This helps to thicken the filling and give it a nice consistency. Then, add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 large eggs. The eggs will help bind everything together. Next, mix in half a cup of sour cream. This adds a creamy texture and a slight tanginess to the filling. Finally, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This will enhance all the flavors and give a wonderful aroma. Pour the mixture over the berries, making sure they are evenly coated. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes, or until the filling is set and the crust is golden brown. Let it cool before serving, and get ready to experience a berry-licious explosion. This tart is perfect for any occasion and will surely impress your guests. All right, folks, get ready for the grand finale, the pear tart. This dessert is not only delicious, but also a feast for the eyes, perfect for impressing guests or treating yourself. We're starting with 3 ripe but firm pears. Make sure they are just the right ripeness to hold their shape during cooking. Peel them, core them, and slice them nice and thin. This step is crucial for that perfect texture in every bite. In a saucepan, combine half a cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of water, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. This mixture will create a lovely syrup that enhances the pear's natural sweetness. Simmer until the pears are tender. This usually takes about 10-15 minutes. Keep an eye on them to ensure they don't overcook. While those pears are simmering, let's make our crust. A good crust is the foundation of any great tart. We're using a store-bought one for convenience, but feel free to make your own if you have the time. Once the pears are nice and tender, drain them and arrange them all fancy-like in your tart shell. This is your chance to get creative with the presentation. Pop that bad boy in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Get ready for a taste of pure perfection. The result is a golden, crispy crust with a sweet, tender pear filling that will leave everyone asking for seconds. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible fruit tart recipes that are guaranteed to satisfy your sweet tooth. Grab your ingredients, put on your baking hats, and let's get this tart party started. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to conquer the world one delicious tart at a time. And be sure to subscribe for more epic baking adventures. Peace out!